Hey Mia, um, I know that you don't want to listen to me, that you're mad at me, and that's understandable. You have got all the reasons to be mad at me, and that's fine. And Andrew told me, and well, I'm just going to tell you what I told him. Not exactly, but still in the description there's the exact text that I sent to him. So look, let me explain what happened with Eliana. So you and I were talking. Well, let's just talk about the whole story so that it makes sense. You and I were talking, yeah. Everything was fine. Que puta! Look, I got ants on my water glass. I don't know why. If water isn't sweet or sour. Oh, maybe the food. I know. Okay, so you and I were talking. Blah, blah, blah. We were talking about you liking me. I have said to Andrew many times that I don't like you. Well, that is fake. I like you, but as I say, not like I am in love with you, no. And that I don't want to date you. Why? Because first, I don't want Andrew to be my brother-in-law. I find it excessively awkward. So I'm not letting that happen, and because you know how I am, you know I feel attraction towards kids. I can't say it because then the Y will cry. So I'm not letting that happen. And so yeah, and you are younger than me, and simply I don't want to do nasty things to you. So that's why I don't want to date you. I don't care if they keep saying we we are the perfect couple. I don't care about that. I don't want to date you. We can be friends, yeah, best friends, yeah. Not there's not a problem with that, but sweethearts, never. Okay, so I told you that I don't want to date you, and then you didn't want to talk to me because of that. I I don't remember how was I feeling back then, but I guess I didn't care. Whatever, I just got surprised because then Eliana came. I thought, what happened now? And yeah, you didn't want to talk with me. Yeah, no, yeah, I didn't care. I didn't care about that. But here comes the problem. She told me that you were kind of too emotional those last days, and that it is because you are pregnant. So I said, pregnant? But I mean, we were talking about you. But Mia got her period days ago. How would she be pregnant? And yeah, she said that you got fucked and so I said, but she only sucked dick. Yeah, talking about what let's force you to do, sadly. And then she came up with that your cousin fuck you too. Look, in 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 a in a special person, let's call it like that. In a special person's mind, talking about talking about that is funny. Since I got that mind, I found it funny because I really didn't expect that. I really did not know about your cousin you. So I laugh at that because that was unexpected, and because that reminded me of someone else, because she got she got by her cousin too. So yeah, I laugh about that, and I don't know if I have told you before, but I take virtual conversations as if they were conversations happening in person. So if, for example, I laugh, I type in the text laughs. If I cry, I type in the text cries, because that's what I'm doing, as if I was there, you know. So since I laugh about that, I said it. There comes the problem, because you saw me logging and Eliana too. And that's something you obviously didn't like. And that's why it hurts, because thanks to that, you didn't want to talk to me anymore. Eliana then told Andrew, and then, well, Andrew told me she didn't tell Lucas. Thankfully, because if he finds out. So yeah, that's what happened. Um, I then Andrew was obviously mad at me. Ooh, extremely mad. So I was explaining him that, hey, I laugh at that because you know me and blah blah blah. But he was still mad, and I still got remaining things to tell him. So I say, bro, let's do something. Uh, I'm going to be alone in a room, and I'm going to be typing what I have to explain, text by text, and then I will invite you to paste all of that text and that you read it, so that you can be cheering on me, and that you don't have to wait. So that you don't have to wait for a new message that you read. I mean, oh wait, my mouth inside is speaking. Yeah, I meant that you read the message and that you don't have to. Yeah! That you don't have to wait for a new message to read. So yeah, I did that. I created rooms, type, and then invited him. He read. Now we are fine. Every everything is fine between us. So he read, and now he knows more about me, and that it wasn't never my intention. And that it wasn't. Oh Mia! Thanks to that. Puta! Wait. I didn't see that. Thanks to my screen. Wait. Puta vida! I'm still recording, right? Okay. This better do so. So that thanks to that blanket, I am like this, sneezing. Achoo. So what was I saying? That it was never my intention making all of this mess happen. No, never. So because of my mind, my personality, I laugh at that. But obviously, I care about what happened to you. I care about you, and yeah, I'm not happy. I didn't like what your cousin did to you. I'm talking now, silently, because my grandma sadly came, or maybe it was my dad. I don't know. Ah, whatever. There's the test there in the description, so that you read it. Puta.